Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again, my friend. Today, I want to do a quick tutorial on how to use Activechat JSON block, send to Integromat, and get back whatever we want from Integromat, because we can do a lot of things with Integromat, right? So we can send email, we can save to integrate with our CRM, we can do a lot of things in Integromat. So I want to show you how we can do it using Activechat JSON block, send to Integromat, and then get back whatever attribute or parameter that we want from Integromat back into Activechat. So it's a very quick one, just to show you the concept and how we can do it. First of all, we go to our Integromat. I want to show you on how to set up your Integromat. So basically, this is a super simple setup, where we use webhook module in Integromat to catch our JSON block from Activechat. Then we can do anything here as long as we didn't return back the webhook, as long as the webhook is still alive. So we can do a lot of things in between here. We can send to email, we can integrate to our CRM, we can integrate to SMS, whatever we want, because we have a lot of integration here in Integromat. So we have a lot of things. Asana. The first thing you need to do is you need to create your new scenario. Put a webhook module as your start, as the trigger. So in this webhook module, you will have to create a webhook link. So you can click on add, just put any name that you like to, and click on save, and it will generate a webhook link down here. And if you are doing this for the first time, there will be a button like this. So it will indicate that this webhook is listening to a JSON from anywhere, or webhook from anywhere. So once you see this indication, you just copy this address and go to Activechat. You go to Activechat. So this is a basic skill that I made. So I will go through the skill later, but in your JSON block, paste that link you copied from Integromat here in the URL. And here you can use post, and this is all the parameters that you want to send to Integromat. So after you have done this, you need to run your bot, and you need to run this flow one time. For the first time, you need to run, and you will get error. You just trigger the skill like this, test Integromat, and you will get an error like this, actually. So you will get this error for the first time. So once you got the error, once you run the bot, this stop button. So once you saw success here, then you can see what are the parameter that it got. So as you can see, we send no one and no two from the Activechat JSON blocks. So if we look back here, so this is the parameter that we send to Integromat. So in Integromat, so we can use that two parameters. So what I did is just I put another webhook here. It is if you can see here, this is a custom webhook, where it will listen to another webhook or JSON request. And this is another webhook, which is, we call it as a webhook response. Respond to whoever is calling for the webhook. So in the response, I want to send back a simple JSON formatted string. So in this JSON string, I just put one parameter as result as the sum, the total amount of both numbers we send from Activechat, and the other one is source, just a simple attribute saying that this is coming from Integromat. So this that we can add more, just buying like comma and double quotes, attribute 3, double quote, double note, double quote, and this is the value. So you need to do this on each parameter that you want to send back to Activechat. So once you've done this, just click OK here, just click save. and make sure you come up, yeah, the scenario is this, and make sure you have turned this scheduling to on, because by default it will be off. So turn it to on, and you're okay. You are ready to go. Just go to your board and do this. Just I'm triggering the skill that I made. So basically, the skill is just asking number one. Number one is 4, and it will ask a second number, which is 7, and it will send 4 and 7 to Integromat, and Integromat will return back the sum of 4 and 7. So this is just a basic sample, so that you know the concept of using Integromat and Activechat JSON log. So this is what we got back. We got sum returns at 11, and this sum is from Integromat. So if you see here in my board, this is the JSON block that we send to Integromat. We send no1 and no2, the two numbers that we want to do the sum function. And in the summary text, I just put like here. So this is the result attribute that I put in Integromat, JSON string, and also source. So this is the two attribute that we got back from Integromat. So whatever you send back, you send from Integromat, just put a dollar sign in front of it, and it will get all the values. All right. So that's all. Quick tutorial, quick guide on how to use Integromat and integrate with Activechat. See you.